Yap. Yap. To talk a lot, especially in a noisy or annoying way. Stop yapping and eat your dinner. He was yapping nonstop during the whole journey. Sack. Sack. To dismiss or fire someone from their job. The boss sacked him yesterday after the meeting. Don't be lazy, or they will sack you. Check out. Check out. To throw someone or something out, remove, or expel. She checked out her brother from her room. The bouncer checked out the drunk man from the bar. She checked out all the old magazines from her room. Quack. Quack. A fake doctor or someone pretending to have medical knowledge. Don't go there, that clinic is run by a quack. He's not a real dermatologist, he's just a quack. Side hustle. Side hustle. A small job or business you do in addition to your main job to earn extra money. I am looking for a side hustle to earn extra money. I do photography as a side hustle. Gross. Gross. Very dirty, very unpleasant, or disgusting. Please don't pick your nose, that's so gross. That smell is gross, please open the window. Ghost. Ghost. To suddenly stop all communication with someone without explanation. He ghosted me, and I don't know why. I can't believe she ghosted me so suddenly. Gig. Gig. A job or work, usually short-term, temporary or freelance. I am looking for a side gig to earn some extra money. The pay is good, but it's only a temporary gig. Cuffing season. Cuffing season. A time in fall and winter when people want a boyfriend or girlfriend so they don't feel lonely. It's cuffing season. Everyone wants a partner. She found a boyfriend just for cuffing season. Stash. Stash. To hide or store something secretly or safely. He stashed his money under the mattress. He stashed the gift behind the sofa to surprise her. Bash. Bash. A big party or celebration. We danced all night at the wedding bash. Are you coming to Jake's graduation bash? Cap. Cap. A lie, something false, or not true. He's capping again. Don't believe him. Stop capping, just tell me the truth. Freebie. Freebie. Something that is given for free, usually as a gift, sample, or bonus. I didn't buy it, it was just a freebie. I got a freebie t-shirt at the concert last night. Rookie. Rookie. A person who is new to a job, sport, or activity, a beginner. He's just a rookie, give him some time to learn. I am a rookie at cooking, I just started learning last week. Kickback. Kickback. A bribe or illegal payment, usually given to someone for favor or contract. Police arrested him for accepting a kickback. She refused the kickback from the client. Spam. Spam. Unwanted or junk messages, emails, or calls. She deleted all the spam emails in her inbox. I just got another spam call. So annoying.